Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to on off flight mode on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you can move on to connections. Here is a connection, so click on this first option, then this is the flight mode. Okay, so if you want to turn on this flight mode, you just click on this icon like this. Here the flight mode will be turned on here on this icon. Okay, and if you want to off this flight mode, you just click on this icon again like this. Here the flight mode will be set off. Okay, so the on option will be like this and the off option will be like this. Okay, here it has written no on off. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.